Hey guys, I want to give you a quick look at the Niceday Recumbent Bike. They were kind enough to send me this model to test out in my physical therapy clinic, but I'm under no obligation to say anything positive or negative. This is just my honest take on using the bike. First off, you can see that it's pretty compact. I'm about 5'7", and standing next to the seat, you can see that it lines up just above the level of my knee. You can tell it doesn't take up a ton of space compared to some of the other larger recumbent bikes next to me. This is a great option for anyone living in a small home or even an apartment. Now you can see me using the bike. This is one of my favorite features. The seat is adjustable and is super smooth, so I can adjust it closer or further away from the pedals without having to stand up and step away from the bike. That's a big deal when you're rehabbing or recovering from a knee or hip surgery. You want to be able to adjust the seat. It's got 16 levels of resistance. It's a nice breathable backrest and supports up to 400 pounds of body weight. It's incredibly quiet. There's resistance on the pedals both forward and backward, which can be really helpful. It's super stable and feels just really solid. When I'm done, I can just grab the back handle, lift, and wheel the bike out of the area if I need to. It's pretty easy to maneuver. So far, I've been really impressed. If you're looking for something simple and physical therapy friendly at home, this bike might definitely be worth checking out.